Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
We will now sing the national anthem and all demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect. When we sing the anthem with pride and stand up straight with our hands to our sides like this, or just in front like this.
When we finish singing, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next. We now invite you to stand for the Australian National Anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good morning everybody and welcome. Today we commemorate Remembrance Day 2021. On this day we remember the men and women who gave their lives during war and conflict. We also remember the many families, including children affected by conflict over time. You will see many people wearing a red poppy, which is the international symbol of remembrance, and we wear a poppy to say thank you to those who have served and are serving today. What does Remembrance Day mean for me? Well, I think about my family and friends and the people I know and have met and worked with over the years. I think about the freedom and opportunity we enjoy, such as being able to come to school each day or go to the doctor or hospital if we're ill. And I think about how we can even turn on a tap and drink fresh water each day and go to the shops freely to buy our food and clothes and enjoy the many things in life that we do today. Lest we forget.
We are stopping this morning to acknowledge Remembrance Day, which in Australia is celebrated each year on the 11th day of the 11th month. At 11 a.m, we will have a minute of silence to honour the soldiers that died protecting Australia in all wars.
You may have seen many people at school today wearing poppies. These poppies represent the ones growing in the soil on which the battles were fought. Today, they help us remember those who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a safe and thriving country.
At the end of our minute silence, you will hear a piece of music called the Last Post Bugle Call. The last post was played during the war to signal that the night sentries were alert at their posts and gave one last warning to the other soldiers. We now use this piece of music at memorial services, such as these, as a final farewell. It symbolizes the duty of the dead is over and they can rest in peace.
We ask you to now bow your head for our 1 minute of silence.